Brussels.
I got a cold, so it's making it a little hard to vlog or speak up. So bear with me here.
Yeah.
But we're on a train. That's all. Brussels. Oh man, I'm tired. It was a 3-hour train ride and we're in our Airbnb. First glance in the city looks very different. It will be an interesting contrast to where we just were. There's Andy's feet. And I gotta show you this view. Absolutely stunning. You wanna open the blinds, honey? Wait. That's it. Just a building. Amazing. Alright, I think we're gonna get some food and walk around now.
It's so dope.
So dope.
So cool, yeah. Love it.
Here we are. It's our first full day in Brussels. Yeah, the weather's pretty nice. Everyone's getting sick. Hey.
Not me.
He's not.
I'm healthy.
Just me and Andy. But we just got some breakfast, and now we're walking to
Oh, can I check out the store?
a store. We're gonna go to a market after this, a mall, basically.
We're at the shopping center. It's kind of hard to pronounce. We'll probably put it in the screen right there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It goes along this entire, it's like a straight mall. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. Take a picture from it, honey.
having a good day in Brussels so far. We're currently in a park, and we've just pretty much been walking around the square, checking out the galleries. Oh, I don't know the names off the top of my head. I'm so awesome at this. We got some Belgian waffles.
Yum. Yeah, that was really good in the morning. Yeah, we got some coffee, got some Belgian waffles.
Yeah.
I felt pretty good. Yeah, to be honest, yeah, they taste nothing like how they taste back at home.
I disagree.
To be honest, they taste nothing like they taste. Like, they taste way softer, in my opinion.
Oh yeah,
And crisp, too.
softer in the inside.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
It's definitely a different feel from Amsterdam. Architecturally, culturally. I'm glad that we came.
Yeah.
Here's the park.
It's expensive. We're gonna go see the Atom.